towel, Dad. Good morning. See his blue towel in the bag? Good morning. There's a worm. Go. Good morning. Here, good morning, baby. Good morning, baby.
It
Oh,
flew. It flew.
They're leaving the nest.
Yeah.
Did you see it?
I
You had a blue
did.
towel?
I did.
Hey, look. We're gonna put. Here we are. We're getting the mealworms. Here's the mealworms for Mommy and Daddy, 'cause
They'll be here in just a second.
yeah. Listen. There's mealworms. See, Mommy and Daddy, they want to eat. Okay, Daddy, let's wait for them. Did you see the baby bluebird?
I did.
Our baby bluebird. We have babies. We have babies again.
I'm going to leave this with you.
Oh, she was healthy looking.
Here.
Okay. Okay, Mommy and Daddy will be here to eat soon. There she is. There she is. There she's eating, Dad. Oh. Okay, we're gonna let her have breakfast in private.